In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Amazon app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Logging out of your Amazon account on the app is a simple process, and it's important, especially if you're sharing your device with someone else or just want to ensure your account is secure. To start, make sure you open the Amazon app on your device. Once you're in the app and logged into your account, you'll want to locate the menu for your account settings. Look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. This icon is commonly found in the top left or top right corner of your screen, depending on the device you're using. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it. After tapping the icon, a menu will slide out or down, revealing various options. You may need to scroll down a little to see all the available features. Don't worry if you don't see the option you're looking for right away. Just take your time to scroll through the menu. It should lead you to different sections, such as your account settings, orders, and more. Now, as you scroll, keep an eye out for the Sign Out option. It's usually located toward the bottom of the list. Once you see it, simply tap on Sign Out. This action will log you out of your Amazon account. After you click that option, the app may confirm your choice by asking if you really want to log out. Just confirm your decision, and voila, you've successfully logged out of your account. It's as straightforward as that, right? Logging out ensures that your account remains secure, especially if you're on a shared device or taking a break from shopping. So, next time you are done using the Amazon app, remember these simple steps so you can log out with ease. And there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to log out of the Amazon app. If you found this information helpful, don't hesitate to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.